thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to have Leile here from ABS.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for joining me.
Thank you.
To get started, do you mind just introducing yourself and what you do at ABS and just,
Yeah, I'm a Brazilian naval architect and marine engineer, and I'm Vice President of Engineering for All Americas, based in Houston, Texas.
And so I know one of the hot topics right now is 3D classification. How is ABS working on 3D classification, and what are some of the things you're developing and discussing?
Yeah, we have been discussing this for the last 5 years, and we had a lot of development on this, but we think that to have fully implemented, more like 3 or 5 years on this. So what ABS is doing is, for example, visiting the clients, even designers or shipyards, to be prepared for this. Who is prepared? Because it's not only ABS being prepared, it's like clients and all the interface. And we also have like our own software development on this system to be able to apply that. For example, engineering is developing a new software, not engineering development, but a new software is being developed for engineering, called ABS Freedom for Engineering, that will have the full capacity of handle all the 3D approval.
So you mentioned you were speaking more with clients. How are you working with them? What types of questions are you asking shipyards, for example?
Basically, how they are prepared. Do they have the right software? What is the needs? How can we interface? What software you use? How can we adapt our software to your needs? Because I think everything is about needs, right? What the client needs, and everyone to be ready for all the changes.
So for a shipyard to be prepared and kind of the perfect opportunity for you, what do they need to be thinking about? How can they be prepared?
I think interaction is the main point between the softwares and people trained for this, for being able to work with these 3D designs. Yeah.
And 3D class is something that we've talked about as an industry for many years, like you said.
Yeah.
It's been always coming. Do you think it's finally here?
As I said, it's not exactly. We are working, ABS has some projects approved in 3D, like tugboats, barges, but we don't have it's not full 3D approval yet. We need more time for all of this, you know. And the main point of the 3D approval that I see is we always had 3D models, right? 3D CAD, everything was 3D. And then was submitted for class in hard copy drawings, 2D, hard copy of course, or electronic copy, like 2D. And then shipyards started developing, like computer systems for their building system. So, and then turn it again in 3D. So why 3D, 2D, and 3D? This is why all this idea of 3D, it was the needs of the market, the need of the client.
Do you find that the clients are more serious about it now? They're maybe thinking more, thinking a bit differently?
I think so, yeah, I think so.
Yeah. And then in terms of the future and looking into next year, what types of things are you developing and looking at for the future?
As I said, I think everything comes from the needs. For example, nowadays we have all the remote survey for the surveyors. We have these digital twin solutions. So in the future, maybe something that we didn't think about yet, right? Because every new technology comes from a need from the client, from the market. So I don't know, right?
And then I guess lastly, just to finish off, what are you most excited about personally, maybe, about the technology or the industry in general? What do you find exciting?
I think I'm an engineer, right? So I like solutions. So I'm a solution-oriented person. So everything related to new technology that brings solutions for the client, for the engineers, for everyone, this is exciting for me.
Excellent. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope we get I know we're all excited to follow the progress and see what happens in the future. So
thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, thank you.